In today's video, I wanted to go over how we landed this $4,000 garage floor coating job and a little bit about our process for how we clean this one, and as well for people that wanted to have some free ways to actually get more garage floors coatings themselves, how to do that as well. Jumping into it, we're grinding the floor down with the Prep Master Junior here. If you like this, a pretty lightweight unit for us to be able to do garage floors. For reference, this was a 700 square foot garage floor. You have my co-owner Talon over there on the hand grinder grinding up the corners there while he's going in the opposite direction, always trying to optimize what you're doing for your routes there. And then after we got done with the grinding, we ended up putting onto the base coat. My phone unfortunately died onto this, so I don't have that, but I'll update you guys with some more job recaps here into the future with that. And essentially how we did this job was we got this off of Facebook ads. If you guys are not running Facebook ads, I really recommend it. The ability to get in front of so many people is a lot better than what it is on Home Advisor, Angie's Leads, and all those different ones where you're sharing a lot of the leads that you have there. And also, as you can see here, our baby broke. We call the concrete dust babies, and it accidentally broke. But it's a lot less expensive for a person to be able to get jobs from Facebook than it is from all those different lead aggregators. And as well, it just gets your brand out there a lot more for other people to know who you are, what you're doing, and where you're coming from with that. And as well, onto the side of the free things that you can do for even maximizing the clients that you have in the past. Well, what we do is we give out $100 gift cards. They're just these cards here. You can order them on Vistaprint, and we just have them designed. Here's the design for you. Then onto the back. To redeem it, just call this phone number. Limit one per customer. This card is not redeemable for cash, and no change will be given. And we give this out to the customers after the job is completed. And if they do end up getting a person, we give them a $100 Amazon gift card as well for their side of things. So that incentivizes it both sides of the things, as well as when they're recommending you to other people, they're not just becoming a salesperson for you, they're actually getting something out of it as well, which makes them want to be more inclined to actually do that. And as well, on top of that, just doing amazing work will always help out as well. Here we are again. I missed on having the base coat and the chips that we put down, but this is our gravel color here, and as well, we're using ResinWorks products. We also did have to fill some cracks. They have a crack filler as well to be able to utilize, and it dries within 20 minutes, so that was really nice with it. As you can see here, half of the floor as well. On our first pour, we're using polyaspartics here. Our first pour, we ended up, that got really hard really quickly. And then the second pour, it takes about 30-40 minutes for us to be able to get the second pour into it. So it was a little bit soft at the time, so we cut the floor in half. The only thing that you had to watch out is making sure that you're getting this amount right here, just making sure that you're blending in everything so you don't have any ridges and everything looks really good onto that. As well, a couple other things that you can utilize that are really beneficial for that is door hangers as well for your customers, making sure that you're handing those out for and after you're completing the jobs, also knocking onto the doors, just letting you know, hey, we're going to be in the area today, we're finishing your neighbor's garage floor. It's going to be a little bit loud for some time here, but I just wanted to let you know if you need anything, feel free to call / text us anytime with that number that you have on there. And as well, if you'd like to, feel free to come out, check out what we're doing here today so that they can actually get some eyes on to the whole entire process. Gives you an opportunity to talk to them as well, builds credibility, builds trust with these people because most people are just in and out with what they're doing. If you can do these little things right here, it'll help with maximizing your jobs to where one job can turn into two jobs. And then as well, stacking that on to putting a lot of your Facebook posts out there too as well. I'll make a video into the future for you guys about how I make all my Facebook posts so that they're engaging. People actually want to read them and they don't want to just gloss over it. As well, talking about glossing, we're putting the top coat on here with our polyaspartic as well, top coat through ResinWorks, everything through ResinWorks here. If you guys get any value out of this, it would be much appreciated to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be putting out a lot more videos on garage floor coatings, helping you out with being able to grow your business. And as well, I do Facebook marketing for people and TikTok ads where I can get you 10 guaranteed appointments per month. If you'd like, feel free to book a call down there below and learn a little bit more about it. But I hope that this video has helped you guys out with it. And we're right about wrapping up this floor. This is an awesome floor. Other than the cracks, we always hate cracks on the floors. takes the time a little bit more, but when we can finish up and do this kind of stuff is always awesome. So hope you all have a great day and see you soon.